Natterbox for Salesforce Sales Cloud makes it super easy to stay in contact with your prospects, leads, and contacts. By installing the Natterbox package from the Salesforce App Exchange, you have complete click-to-dial for every single number within Salesforce. Here's a contact that I need to speak to today, and automatically my Natterbox telephone springs to life. With this solution, Salesforce is now your telephone, so there's no third-party software you need to install on your laptop, and there's no desk phone requirement. As soon as I log into Salesforce, I can now make and receive calls. Salesforce is my telephone, so I can see here that I'm calling Sammy. Sammy's now answered, so now I can have a conversation with all of Sammy's details here in front of me. Now I've had that conversation, I can hang up. At the end of the call, I can easily disposition that call. They're going to be a customer, and because I left a voicemail, I need to call him back next week at the same time to follow up. That call is automatically dispositioned, and I can now move on to the next contact. Within Salesforce, my activity is recorded in real time, so as soon as I click Done inside the Natterbox for Sales Cloud application, my data is automatically populated within Salesforce. Now my call has been logged, in real time I can also listen straight back to a call recording. As soon as the call goes into Salesforce, I immediately have the ability to come back and listen to that call at any time. Now directly within Natterbox for Sales Cloud application, I can very quickly start changing some of my settings in order to make calls. Let's say I need to make calls all around the country or all around the globe. I can select any phone number that I own to show out when I make a call. So for example, if I'm calling somebody in Chicago in the US, I can show a Chicago number. The next call might be to someone in the UK, so I want to show a UK number going out. In the USA, we can also offer local presence dialing to make sure wherever you are to make a call out, the person receiving your call will do so from a phone number geographically close to the location they are in. As you can see, with Natterbox for Sales Cloud, it's very quick, very easy, and any changes made take effect in real time. I now need to make another call to Sammy. So I'm going to click on his number again, and there we can see that call is being made out. I had a chat with Sammy about the opportunity he has with us, and he agrees that he's going to sign the opportunity. So I need to make sure that these notes get added to the opportunity, not just to Sammy Jankis. So I can go to the opportunity and select any object within Salesforce, and if I click on the opportunity and hit Link to Current Item, immediately this activity is not only against Sammy Jankis, but also logged in the opportunity. With this log, along with any object within Salesforce, including customer objects, it's very quick and easy to make sure that the data you are collecting is immediately being logged against the correct records. Now, it may be the case that you have a large number of contacts you need to contact today, and rather than manually finding them within Salesforce, you need somebody to just present you with a dial-up that will automatically call those contacts for you. That is exactly what Natterbox can offer. If I turn on my dialer, from the system inside the Natterbox for Sales Cloud application, I can now start working through the list of people I need to call. I can just call this person and straight away it's making that call for me. I'm going to hang that up, connect to Paul, I'm going to disposition my call, take some notes, click Done, and immediately I can move on to my next call. This time I'm calling Juliana. Juliana has automatically popped up on my screen and I can have another call with her right away, so it's very quick to work through my contacts, and as an agent I can create my own dial list, or I can very easily have them assigned to me by team leaders. Making calls is only half the story. The other half is analysing that call data and making sure that I'm making the best calls. So within Natterbox for Sales Cloud, I also have a full set of analytical reports built into the service. In fact, there are 75 out-of-the-box reports available with the Sales Cloud offering, and that data is channeled directly into the Salesforce reports engine, so there's no need to learn new reporting systems, no need to log out of Salesforce to gather your call metrics. All of that is done directly through Salesforce. I can see calls made to particular contacts and accounts. I can see calls by call disposition. I can see calls, most importantly, by agent and how long those agents are spending on the phone as well. All that information gathered within Salesforce, all at your fingertips, and these are just some of the benefits of the Natterbox services for Salesforce Sales Cloud.